Hello students, welcome back to our online class. Hope you have watched the previous class and today we are going to focus some more important topics and it is a continuation of chapter 1 numbers up to 200. So before moving forward, let's recall the previous topics. So first one, ascending order and descending order. So what is meant by ascending order? When a group of numbers is arranged from the smallest to the greatest number, those numbers are said to be in ascending order. So if you arrange the numbers from smallest to the largest, it is called ascending order. Next, descending order. What is meant by descending order? When a group of numbers is arranged from the greatest to the smallest number, those numbers are said to be in descending order. So descending order means to arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest number. It is called descending order. So we have seen some examples also related to ascending and descending order. Next, we have seen even numbers and odd numbers. So what is meant by even numbers? Even numbers can be put in pairs or into groups of 2. They always end with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So here is the example of pair, that is 2. So we have to check the ending number for even and odd number. Next, odd numbers. What is meant by odd numbers? Odd numbers cannot be put in pairs or into groups of 2. They always end with the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So here you have an example, one gift box. So that is odd number. So I hope you have become a master of these topics. Now let's see today's topics. Now let's start our today's session. Ordinal numbers in page number 21. What is meant by ordinal numbers? An ordinal number tells the position in a list. Here we have a list of animals for an example. See the first one, it is lion. So it is in first position. See the spelling for first, F I R S T, first. Next, tiger. It is in second position, S E C O N D, second. Next, elephant. It is in third position, T H I R D, third. Next, it is deer and it is placed in fourth position, F O U R T H, fourth. Next, it is monkey and it placed in fifth position, F I F T H, fifth. Next, it is giraffe and it placed in sixth position, S I X T H, sixth. Next, zebra. It is in seventh position, S E V E N T H, seventh. Next is crocodile. It is placed in eighth position, E I G H T H, eighth. Next, snake. It is in ninth position, N I N T H, ninth. Next, it is deer and it is placed in 10th position, T E N T H, 10th. So children, now you have learned ordinal numbers from first to 10 and its spelling also. Have you understand? Now let's see the exercise 1.4, page number 21. Write your name. So you have to write your name. Here I have written Yalini for example. Find the following. Third letter of your name. Here I have written Yalini. So third letter of Yalini is Z. So I have written Z here. Next, fifth letter of your name. So fifth letter here is I. So I have written I. Next, first letter of your name. So first letter here is Y. So I have written Y. Like that you have to write your name and your third letter, fifth letter and first letter. So fill this in your textbook. Now it's time to work. I have given assignment for you in page number 22. Match the following. So you have to match correctly and complete this one in your textbook. Now I have given one more assignment for you in page number 22. Color the pencils by using the color mentioned for each ordinal position. So they have given the ordinal position with the colors. You have to color according to the condition given. Understand, children? So complete this also in your textbook itself. Okay students, up to this chapter 1 gets over. So I'll catch you with the new chapter in upcoming classes. Thank you.